Hi everyone, this is Erin from Sandpaper Road, and today I'm sharing with you a mini album that I made using the Velvet Dreams paper collection. Velvet Dreams by Craft O'Clock is unique because it's an all-in-one, almost like a kit, and there's really only one available right now, not one kit, but just one variation. But let me show you this mini album. Look at how cool this is. I have a ribbon closure, and this is using a cover paper. This would be I think the purple wood or the lavender wood cover paper. It's all in one cover, and it does come separate from the paper collection, and I just used some really neat little flower embellishments and elements from junk journal, the junk journal part. Well, it's all part of the kit. All this comes inclusive with the kit, with the exception of the ribbon, and the cover is separate as well that you can get. And this is a pretty basic album. There's not, I mean, it's not really complicated. So if you're a beginner, you're going to find this really easy to make. And I wanted to try something overly simple. Look at the just simple staples of 2 pieces of ribbon and then just some blingy flowers that I had in my stash, along with some of the paper flowers that come in the collection in a nice corner pocket. These little quotes, incidentally, also come along with the kit as well. And then this is a simple waterfall that goes up, and you can see I put little quotes in the middle, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I did add 5 waterfall pieces there. Look how nice that is. And I love with the little quotes ending with the eagles, or the eagle in the books. And then photos can go up here. That's why these are left blank. There's a magnet inside, and this is just a blingy metal piece from my stash. And actually, I think a lot of these are from Dollar Tree. So I'll do my best to see if I can link over to those in the description box as well. Here's another corner pocket, just very simple, with some nice blingy things, that just elements from the Velvet Dreams kit. And then this is a nice little, I added, all this is a fold over piece of paper, and it is tucked inside here before I put the page in. So this folds open like this. It's just a fold open page with a pocket. Here's a nice little pocket for a photo. Or if you didn't want to cover this up, you could put the photo here. And then you could put extra pictures or little ephemera pieces in there. And this is the only thing that is unique from the basic album. The basic album doesn't have this little 1/4 inch extra little score line. And I did that because instead of doing like an accordion, I wrapped it in, so I had to have some room for it to wrap in. And I love the door, the blue door. On this page, I just have some, you know how sometimes you just have all these cloth-like flowers or just flowers from your stash. So I added them in here with a mix of brads and paper elements and metal. And here's just a few little nice things that tuck inside. This is like I think I call this like a pocket tower. And all of these, if you're brand new to mini album making, I do have a full tutorial with basic paper on how to make an album just like this. So it's all just variations of the basic album, really. But doesn't it look so nice? This one is a little unique. I had one of these little brad things, these little closure things, and I glued one of the little extra pieces, just one of the little extras, and then used a brad down here or a brad on each side, but I didn't seal it in. So now I can tuck the little extra inside. as like a closure. You see what I mean? Or you don't have to do that. If I just wanted to use this and fold it over, it would hold it down good. And then this is just another corner pocket, something you want to put in there. And let's see what we have here. Another fold open like this with an extra fold open. This is, I had a die that I was testing out on white paper, and I had a scrap that I found, and I thought, oh, what am I going to do with that? So what I did was I just tucked it, glued it underneath this piece of the pattern paper, folded it down, and then I glued a piece of the flower paper, or one of the little flower extras over top, and stuck a quote over top. And that folds like this. This is just a metal brad or a metal piece with some extra elements there. And there's a magnet inside to hold that shut. Here's another pocket. As you can see, they're really just simple pockets and tags, but because of the paper, it just looks just so, you know, like it took so much effort and time. This is probably the only thing I don't have a video on just yet. Maybe I will, but you'll see why I don't have a video on it. I have a video on how to make a simple belly band, and if you can do this, my goodness, you can definitely fold paper in half. All this is 2 pieces. If I took this out, this is like one of those little traveler's journals, rubber band things, and I just put some wire around the top with a little charm. But it's 2 pieces of paper folded in half, and I glued some of the pattern paper on top. And I made like a little, just like a little extra booklet, and you can put nice big photos or a couple small ones, or make a little collage of photos or something in there. And I thought that would be cute. And then this sticks out, see, of the top and bottom like that. And then we end with some tags. And I love that stapled look. I just think it looks really like vintage, rustic type, and good for photos on both sides. I will link up here to the basic album tutorial. There's a whole playlist, and you can learn how to do the hinge, the cover, all the pages, the sizes, the measurements, everything like that. And I'm also going to link to the Velvet Dreams paper collection up here as well. And you can check that out, and definitely head over to sandpaperroad.com and check out all the other paper collections and mini album covers and things like that. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and thanks so much for watching, and we will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.